Hello, I am Dr. Ritika Ghosh Dastidar, Consultant Paediatrician and Paediatric Intensivist at Fortis Hospital, Anandapur, Kolkata. I am going to talk about a very hot topic, which is fussy eating in children. I have lots of patients and their parents come to me saying that my child is not eating anything. What do I do? And this is very common in all children, all parents, and they're extremely anxious that their child is not eating. They are offering them food, they're refusing it, and this goes on for weeks or months. So fussy eating in children can be because of a variety of reasons. Most commonly, it's forcing the children to eat that causes the fussy eating. Also, a proper place at the table for the children to eat. If we can provide them a seat of their own, potentially a high chair for little children and normal chairs with booster seats at the dining table during meal times with the family, a lot of problems about fussy eating goes away. The child feels that they are a part of the family and they are happy to engage in having mealtime conversations, mimicking their parents in eating, trying to eat on their own, trying to make a mess which is acceptable, but then they grow an interest in the food. It is also important that we give them food with normal consistency rather than making purees and juices all the time. Children have taste buds, so it's also important we don't always give them just boiled food, because even as adults, if we have boiled food or the food that is tasting the same every day, we will become fussy eaters. It's important that we make them understand the importance of eating at regular meal times, not having too much snacks, which is another common problem in children these days, because lots of snacks, very salty, very sweet snacks are available in stores, and it becomes an easy snack to give to the children, and an hour later they are not eating anything at their dinner. So snacking has to be avoided and be limited to a certain amount. Providing variety of food at meal times, enjoying the meals together with the whole family at one place, and talking to them positively about eating vegetables and fruits and protein so that they have a healthy and good association with the food. Sometimes fussy eating can be a symptom of an underlying disease. So when parents feel like they have done everything, they have tried everything, and still the child is not gaining weight, the child is not gaining height, then they need to come and see a pediatrician. Thank you.